to Would You Believe It Limited. We were lucky enough to win the Manufacturing Business of the Year with Torvine and Monmouthshire, and we're absolutely chuffed to bits with it.
It means a lot to us. I think we can take the next step forward.
Would you believe it?
We worked out to get to this position, and it means an awful lot to a small company.
I think just the fact that we can go from finalists to winners will make a massive difference to our customer base. I think on our emails, on our websites, our advertising is just going to be such a big thing for us. So I'm sure it'll help us to grow the business. Fantastic night. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah,
Great night.
We've got a fantastic team behind us stood over there. We've had the support of everyone for the night, and it's been absolutely brilliant.
I think the next step is to drive the business forward, developing new products.
Keep doing what we're doing.
Keep
doing what we're doing.